The net worth and income of top 1, 5, 10, and 20% of household in America. Hi, my name is Venus. If you're new here, welcome or welcome back. I have grown my net worth from 0 to 7 figures in the last few years, so literally climbing from the bottom of the pyramid to all the way up. This video is putting things into perspective, and I will share with you my thoughts alongside with the data. I've learned some shocking facts that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Then we'll start from the bottom of the wealth pyramid and climbing all the way up to the top. And make sure you stay until the end of the video. We'll discuss how to get to the top 1%. Without further ado, let's dive in. One thing that's shocking to me is that the average American household has over $1 million net worth. But the median net worth of the country is around $192,000, according to the Federal Reserve. There's a huge wealth gap in America, and I have a few numbers to help you understand how wide the gap is. The top 1% household in America holds 26% of the US wealth. The top 20% household contributed to 86% of the American wealth. The top 1% alone holding more than half wealth of the entire top 20%. The greatest asset disparity is in stock and mutual fund shares, where the top 1% has more in those investments than the rest of the top 20% combined. This disparity continues down the income pyramid, with the middle class have significantly less in stock wealth. Now let's start from the bottom of the pyramid. The 20th percentile. Income $28,000 and net worth $6,000. 40th percentile, income $55,000 and net worth $110,000. 60th percentile, income $89,000 and net worth $310,000. The middle class is those who earns 40 to 60 percentile of the household income, and which range from $55,000 to $89,000. The median annual income is $59,000 in America. The occupation for this class are typically teachers, skilled workers, small business owners, and etc. The American middle class, traditionally known for its comfortable lifestyle and the promise of American dream, right now is facing a lot of challenges. Stagnant wages paired with rising costs of the housing, healthcare, education, inflation, and just those factors are really squeezing the middle class families. This class used to be filled with workers in manufacturing industry and facilities, which no longer the case because the majority of those has been outsourced in Asia. And middle class is a really critical component of any economy and contributing to the consumer spending and the economical stability and social coherence. Now let's take a look at the upper 80 percentile. Income range from $149,000 and net worth ranging from $550,000. So this top 20% is who makes majority of this country's wealth. Earning six figures puts you in the upper class when it comes to earning. So it's very important to get there as quickly as possible. Professionals in this bucket are skilled employees, financial professionals, accountants, engineers, tech professionals, business owners, and investors. If you're already in this bucket, it's also important to get your first $100,000 in net worth to start compounding growth. I have a lot of videos on stock investing that can help you to compound your growth faster, and please feel free to check them out. I'll put the playlist down below. Now let's move on to the top of the pyramid, the 90 percentile, the top 10% income earners who are making $173,000 and net worth is $1.2 million on average. And there are about 15 million millionaires household in United States, and which makes about up to 11% of the total household numbers. And this is a millionaire club, represents the pinnacles of financial success. And people in this group are often earned through years of dedication and strategic thinking. You will find doctors, lawyers, high-level executives, visionary entrepreneurs, and you will also find the successful and ambitious business owners in this top 10 tier. It takes time to get there though. Creating a successful business is the fastest way to get to the top 10% income and net worth. Professionals like doctors, lawyers, business executives takes longer to build their net worth because they will have to dedicate a lot of time in their education and also paying off their student loans. Now we're getting into the range of the wealthiest of the country, 95 percentile. Income $342,000, net worth $2.5 million. This level's wealth and income is twice as much as the top 10% have. People in this group are super rich, like multimillionaires and really successful earners. They include CEOs, entrepreneurs, top lawyers who work for big companies or as a partner, and doctors who are really specialized in certain areas. And you will also find famous athletes, actors, and musicians can reach this level of income as well. At this level, it's not only about working hard, it's also about using smart strategies to make more money without needing to work for more hours. You can do this by owning a business and make money from its success and selling a company you created, scaling up an online business or create passive income, or earning a lot of money for selling your expertise. The trick to get here is to using leverage, like creating a successful business with a loyal customer base and following, or outsource some of the lower value tasks so you can really focus on your core business. And also, we can't ignore the magic of investing in this stage because compounding effect will really yield you a very significant wealth over time. Finally, this is a destination everyone has been dreamed of achieving, the top 1%, 99 percentile. Income $823,000, net worth $11 million. These are the super rich, worth over $10 million. They are the big winners in their fields and areas, and they are the best at what they do. They are the ones who started their business or created valuable ideas and kept a lot of money that they've made and put the money towards investing. These include business executives, CEOs, successful entrepreneurs, best-selling writers, famous actors, sports stars, and musicians. This level also where top skilled talents like lawyers, doctors with successful business can achieve. Getting to the top 1% in wealth or income, that means you are really successful in your job or your field. But to stay there, you will need to be very smart about your wealth management in terms of how you're handling your tax and making really good investments and not spending too much. The top 1 earners has to turn their income into a lasting wealth to keep them in this bucket. No matter how much you earn, you can still end up with spending more than what you make. So wealth management is super important no matter which stage you are in. So now let's take a look at how to get to the top 1%. According to IRS, the majority of the millionaires has over 7 income streams at this financial level of net worth. Those income streams include dividends income from stock investing, earned income from a job or self-employment, real estate rental properties, or royalties from intellectual properties, capital gains from investing, or profits from operating their businesses, or the interest from their bonds or savings, and more. Achieving the top 1% wealth requires multifaceted approach, including increasing your income through career advancement, multiple income streams, and strategic investing in high return opportunities. To figure out what are the key lessons in the personal finance world, I read over 40 books over the course of years, and I picked up the top ones that actually made a difference for me. And I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Make sure to check it out. And if you want to learn how I reached the 7 figures net worth, please check out this video. I'll put those in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.